Look at this majestic creature. It's a Milky Way kitty with a big belly. He will be driving in his new Honda car or whatever. He will be driving his new Honda Toyota Mix 2020 million mix. And he put the smell of catnip in it so he will get arrested. I don't know. Okay? Just drive. Don't worry. If he hops out, whatever. If he hops out of his car, then don't worry. He likes this. He's driving a car. He's driving in a car. That's illegal if you jump out of your car. What? No, it isn't. I'm not thinking today. Woo! Going for a little joyride. Paw out the window. Paw at the window. Joyride, paw out the window. What a joyride, paw out the window. What a joyride. Looking at the shadow, 'cause we have flash on. Whoa, 'cause we have flash on. Look into that ear of yours. Ew, ew. Now, let's make some doo-doo. Ooh, ooh, doo-doo. Woo, woo, doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. He's just driving the car. He's driving the car with a paw out the window. Driving a car with a paw out the window. Oh. Box cat baby. He's a box cat baby. This cat is on fire. Whoa. Did you parked your car. Look, your butt is covered with butt powder. Baby butt powder or whatever. Sir, here's your car. You parked it in a no parking fire zone thing. You know those things at Walmart or whatever? Those things. He's going into the kitchen. Oh dear. Where is he in the kitchen? There. I didn't mean to do that. Look at him. So majestic. Wow. And that was the documentary part 2. Part 2. Okay. Now there's a documentary of bananas. They are some weird weapons. I want to eat this so badly, but I don't want to. What?